Hi Kickstarters, I'm Joseph, and this is Nauvi. Let me show you what Nauvi can do. Turn the lamp on. And just like that, home automation meets voice control.
Nauvi is an acronym for Nameless Assistant Using Voiced Interactions. Nauvi is nameless because you can call it whatever you want to. You can give it personal names like Sarah or Michael, or you could give it relative names like living room. You could also use phrases alone and go completely nameless. Nauvi's base device has 8 outlets. If you need to control more devices, you can add expansions to the system. They work with the base device wirelessly. You can control Nauvi in a lot of different ways. The 3 main categories are voice controlled, locally controlled, and remotely controlled through the cloud. To start, we will cover the voice control abilities of Nauvi. Voice control uses custom phrases that you create. Using Nauvi's custom software, you can add custom actions, built-in actions, system responses, you can add dynamic content, and you can also add question and answer based actions. A custom action allows you to turn devices on and off. You can control one device or multiple with each action. For example, you can add a phrase, turn the lamp on, that could turn the lamp on. To turn that same lamp off, you could add a phrase like, turn off the lamp. You can also control multiple devices with one phrase. So to turn on both of these lights, I can attach that action to a custom phrase like turn the lights on. And it doesn't have to be only on or off with each phrase that I use. I can turn off devices while turning others on using a single phrase. Like when I want to watch a movie, I can simply say, let's watch a movie. And it could turn off the lights and turn the TV on. Built-in actions allow you to easily control additional system functions. System responses are verbal responses spoken to you in response to an action phrase that you've used. Basically, you talk to the system. The system talks back. I am back from lunch.
Welcome back.
This will help your system stay vibrant and interactive. Which brings me to my next topic, dynamic content. Dynamic content allows you to easily add smart data into your system's responses. You can add things like the date, the time, the temperature, day of the week, current weather conditions, humidity levels, and more.
Sasha, what's the weather like outside?
It is currently scattered clouds and 26 degrees.
You can also set up the system to ask you questions. Then, based on how you answer, a corresponding action can take place.
Good morning, Sasha.
Good morning. Would you like some coffee this morning?
Yes, coffee sounds good.
Coffee is being made.
And just like that, you can have questions, and then based on how you answer those questions, an action can be performed. And it doesn't have to be just 1 or 2 answers. You can have as many answers for every question as you would like, each with their own action.
As for being controlled locally, Nauvi's base device acts as a web server, which means that you can directly connect to it and control it. This allows you to control it using all kinds of devices, like computers, tablets, phones, and even gaming systems. Basically anything that has a web browser and a connection to the local internet. You can also control Nauvi from anywhere at any time through the cloud. Connecting through the cloud is safe, and your unique identifier is not permanent. It can be changed at any time, and no personal data is ever transmitted.
Raise the flag.
The flag is now up.
You know, I built the software and the system so that everybody could use it easily, but it's for developers also. I mean, you can easily incorporate your idea, your invention with the system, just like I just did with this flag. Another thing that I haven't mentioned yet is the fact that the base device illuminates, and that color is customizable. You can change it at any time, and it really tells you if something's on in the system or not. Right now it's red, indicating that nothing is on. If I use something like this iPod here and turn that lamp on, then the system will turn to blue, which indicates to me that there's actually something on in the system. I hope you enjoyed this video and the project. I am really passionate about seeing this project to the next stage, but I really do need your help because manufacturing is not cheap. But together, we can bring a technology that should exist into existence. Thank you.
Nauvi, turn the video off.